Dogecoin will top out when this happens. This is a mindset video. I'm giving you guys my honest opinion, what I feel, what my gut feeling is going on to 2025, which I think is going to be a great year for Dogecoin. If you haven't seen my Dogecoin price prediction yet, and if it could reach 420, check out my two videos. I put both of them here in the cards. But I'm giving you guys here what I feel will happen in the future on the possible top for Dogecoin, and when I believe it will top out. What would happen when it tops out? Okay, and I'll be keeping you guys up to date. That's why you guys want to join my free community, Cryptopolis, Telegram, Discord, all free in the link tree. But when we look back at the previous bull market, when no one believed Dogecoin would get to a penny, and it blasted through a penny, 10 cents, 12 cents, came back a little bit, and it went up to 40 cents. And, you know, Elon came in and he boosted Dogecoin. Honestly, Dogecoin should have topped out around 40 to 50 cents, somewhere around there. But because of Elon, I think Elon pushed it even higher. And it had just this huge wick, and it came back down in the same month. If you look at Dogecoin's chart, last bull market. Now, when Dogecoin had that huge wick, that month, it was the same month that Elon went on SNL and he was talking about Dogecoin. This was the most anticipated thing to happen during that. So this is when we had the most max euphoria, when Elon went on SNL and he was talking about Dogecoin. And it wasn't, you know, he called it a hustle. It wasn't, you know, it wasn't bearish or bullish. But ever since then, Dogecoin started coming down. People were saying, no, don't worry, it's not the top yet. We're going to go to $1. We're just pulling back. And guess what? It was the top after that happened. After that huge anticipated thing, there was many people that were saying it's not bearish, it's not bullish. It was kind of in between, right? But what's amazing too about Dogecoin is that it didn't recover later in the fall. So it topped out around 75, and then I think it came back. I don't think it didn't come back to 75. It came back, I don't know, 30s or 40s, if even that, back in the fall when Bitcoin and some of the other altcoins came back. So Elon had a huge, you know, connection with that, with Dogecoin spiking up to those levels. And that's why I think it's completely normal if Dogecoin kind of consolidates in this area in the 40 cents, because this area is the area in which we collapsed during that time into the bull market, into the bear market, that is. So this is a very important area for Dogecoin to build support and build strength to later spring off of this area into 70 cents again, into $1, because now Dogecoin is much more matured, it's much more stable, and you know, it's gaining a lot of traction, and we're going to get some major news regarding Dogecoin for Elon Musk. I could feel it. Now, that's in connection when I believe Dogecoin will top out. So I believe what will happen when Dogecoin tops out, it will be a very euphoric moment, and we're going to get some major news. Right, we're going to get some crazy news. Now, I believe before that, we're going to already have some news regarding Dogecoin, probably, and Elon Musk, maybe X payments or whatever. I don't know. But we're going to get some major crazy news regarding Dogecoin. I don't know what it could be. I just know that it could be some major news that will most likely pump Dogecoin. It's going to be a very volatile time, a very euphoric time. People are going to be calling Dogecoin going to $4, $5, $6. Like I said, 420 could be the $1 of this bull market. Doesn't mean I don't believe we can reach there. But if we're around $2 Dogecoin and people are like, no, don't worry, 420. People are just saying the same repetitive numbers again and again. And we have this major news. Dogecoin spikes up, comes back down. It does something very similar to what happened back in 2021 with Elon going on SNL. That's when I believe the top will be in. And it's going to be the same exact thing. You're going to be seeing people say, we just got some crazy news for Dogecoin. Why are you selling? This is just the beginning, right? After, what you got to watch out for is that after a spike up, we come down. Really, it's going to be very volatile. You can kind of know when we top out, seeing how volatile the market is and how fast we wick up, right, and we wick back down. That's why I look at the charts. That's why I share the charts with you guys all the time. Because looking at these closings, the closing is everything. We can wake up to $1 Dogecoin and then on the same month close around 50 cents, right? That's something similar to what happened in 2021. So the closing is everything, and that's what you got to be watchful during that major news. Is Dogecoin going to shoot up but stay stable, or is it going to wick up and then come down like crazy, like 50 cents, $1 or something? I don't know, right? If it does something like that, that's the top. We basically create like a tailing top, right? It's called a tailing top, where the tail is the wick and we come back down. But I do believe this will happen when we have some major groundbreaking. I'm telling you guys, there's going to be some crazy news regarding Doge. I don't know what it would be, but it's going to be some like, wow, like I did not expect this. Probably Elon Musk, something pretty big like that regarding Dogecoin. And I mean, by that time, where the market's going to be euphoric anyway. But what I'm saying is, by that time, if something like that happens, we're at $2 plus Dogecoin, the market's euphoric, everyone is saying repetitive numbers, we get all this major news and we're kind of volatile. That's when you want to sell, guys. Regardless of the news, you want to sell at that time. Like they say, sell the news, right? Buy the rumor, sell the news. So that's when I believe Dogecoin will top out, and I'm going to keep you guys updated. Like I said, this is going to be an amazing year for Dogecoin going into 2025. In fact, it's going to be Dogecoin's year. I'm going to make a separate video on this, but it's going to be the snake year, and Dogecoin was launched on the snake year back in, what is it, 2012? Was it 2012? I think it was. Or no, 2013, my bad. XRP was 2012. 2013. So I have absolutely no doubt Dogecoin will have an amazing year, possibly going to $2 plus. And heck, I would not be surprised if we go to 420, depending on what Elon Musk has in store for Dogecoin. Okay, I would not be surprised. But next year is going to be Doge. And look, we're setting up for Dogecoin to have a major year next year. It's amazing, right? Because it's a snake year. Dogecoin was launched on the snake year 2013. And here we are at 40 cents Dogecoin, getting ready to go above $1. And I don't believe in Chinese zodiac and all that stuff, but I share it because it has a lot of connection. Especially when I gave you the XRP example, I believe it can have a connection with Dogecoin too, because the people at the top, they believe in this stuff and they push it. They push money, right? So that's why I share it, but I don't believe in that stuff. It's not what I believe in. But I do share it for those reasons, for you guys to take advantage of that, to understand that. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to keep you guys updated on Dogecoin, on when this huge news is, when the top of Dogecoin is possibly next year. I'll let you guys know. Join the free Telegram, Cryptopolis, and Discord, 100% for free. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.